So this is the second video. So here we learn about houses, streets and drainage systems of the people, those who lived during the Indus Valley civilization. So as you know, citadel and the lower town, there were two types of town. Besides that, there were houses and streets. The main street of the cities were laid down out in a grid-led fashion. Grid means they were in square size. Okay, they were in square size, dividing the cities into large blocks. So they divide this. They were in grid system. The towns were, and they divide. The city was very big. The street cuts each other at right angles. So this is right angle. You can know, yes or no. So they used to cut at right angle. The cities were built in right angle cuts. They had one or two floors. Each house had a central courtyard with rooms all around it. So central courtyard means, you know, the king where he used to sit down and people come to his place to cherish the king, or punishments and all the things that were done in one room. Yes or no? That room is known as courtyard. They usually had a separate area for bathing. Some houses even had wells. Okay, then next is drainage system. The houses, other buildings and streets were provided with drains. In many places, the drains in houses and buildings were connected to those on the main streets. So the buildings and houses, the drains were connected to the main streets and they were covered with bricks and blocks of stone. The drains were not left uncovered. Okay, they were covered with bricks and blocks of stones. They were even provided with manholes to make sure they could be cleaned easily. So there were some holes, okay, that were done so that they can clean the drains easily. The drains were built in such a way that they slope gently to allow easy flow of water. So they were made in such a pattern that the water could flow easily over the drains. Remains of drains have been found in Banawali in Haryana. So next is Harappan script. Script means, you know, book. Script means book. A script can be defined as a written text or a system of writing. Most of what we know of the Harappan script is through the large number of seals and inscriptions found at Harappan sites. Seals means, you know, seal, and inscription means writings on the walls. Yes or no? Writings on the walls are known as inscription. The Harappan script is a pictographic script. Pictographic means it was a picture script, means we can see. It comprises a set of pictures or symbols, each of which represent a word or sound. It is perhaps the earliest form of writing in Indian subcontinent. So the scripts were of these types. They were written on walls and there were also some pictures to depict the scripts. So you do this answers I am giving you. River Valley civilization. Then Harappan cities were mostly divided into two parts. Select the correct option. Two parts. Okay. One is citadel and another one is lower town. In Harappan cities, the days stood on a raised platform. The citadel stood on raised platform. Harappan houses were made of brick stones. Select the correct option. Harappan houses were made up of bricks. The Harappan script is a pictographic script. Pictographic means that show pictures. The next is Harappan society. As the Harappan script was not yet been deciphered, means not yet discovered. Not much is known about how the Harappan society was organized. From the citadels, it is evident that there was a ruling class or ruler who governed these cities. From citadels means, as I told you, the high buildings were there. From that, the historians could know that there were kings at that time. So the kings were ruling the cities. Occupation. Farming and animal rearing were important activities. So people did farming and animal rearing. The Harappan grew plants like wheat, barley, peas, rice, pulses, sesame, dates, mustard and even cotton. Toy models show plough, possibly made of wood, was a common tool used by farmers to turn the soil before planting seeds. So there were toy model show ploughs, possibly made of wood. So they used to make plough. Plough, you know, it is used in agricultural field. Okay, plow, possibly made of wood, was a common tool used by farmers to turn the soil before planting seeds. So to mix the land, that is with water, and to mix the land with water, the cultivators and the farmers, what they do, they used to take a cow and a plow, yes or no, to mix the water and the soil. So at that time also people had some such kind of plows, and they made those with wood. As the Harappan cities sites fall in a low rainfall zone, scholars believe the people may have developed some form of irrigation to store and supply water to their fields. So there was no water available. That's why people made some kind of irrigation facilities. Irrigation means storage of water. Okay, artificial means of supplying water is known as irrigation. Okay, you got this in class 5. Terracotta figures and remains of animals. Terracotta figures mean pictorial figures. Sorry, not pictorial figures. Terracotta figures means the statues. Okay, the statues that are made up of mud. Okay, the mud made statues and remains of animals, so the Harappans domesticated a variety of animals such as cattle, sheep, goats, buffaloes, camels, elephants, etc. The Harappan also hunted wild animals and gathered fruit for food. There is evidence of fishing being a common activity in the region. The discovery of a variety of sculptures, tools, ornaments, weapons, etc. point to the existence of group of skilled craft persons. Then next is dress. So people used to wear this kind of dress at that time. Loincloths, dhotis and shawls. The discovery of spindle wheels used for spinning thread suggests textile like cotton and wood were commonly produced. So spindle wheels, if you want to see this word, you can see in Google. You can use the Google. Archaeologists have even found a piece of cotton cloth in Mohenjo-daro. So archaeologists found also a piece of cotton cloth. Okay, then next is Harappan craft. So these things I will do it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I shall do it, and I'm giving you the question answers here. You do it today, and please read the lesson at home. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.